Hi, this is Section P.5, which is algebraic expressions. So for algebraic expressions, we're simplifying and combining like terms. So for this first problem, they want us to, if you see parentheses with a number in front, that means we need to distribute. That would be our first step. So this is going to become 40 minus 45t plus t squared plus 45t. All right, to write this in standard form, well, let's first combine like terms. We got these two that are like terms, and actually they cancel each other out. These are opposites, so they're going to cancel each other out, and we're left with 40 plus t squared, but standard form, you want to write the higher degree first. So our final answer would be t squared plus 40. Okay, the next problem, it says multiply the algebraic expression using the FOIL method. So the FOIL method is first, outer, inner, last. So here's your first. I'll put a little f for first. That would be 54r squared outer. I'll put an O for outer. That's going to be negative 36 RS. And let's do inner. I for inner. That's going to be minus 45 RS. And then finally, last. L for last. That's going to be positive 30 S squared. All right, so the like terms would be these two in the middle. Those both have the same variable, so we can combine them. Two negatives, that means we add and keep the negative. So that's going to be 70, 81, I believe. So it's going to be 54r squared minus 81rs plus 30s squared. That is our final answer. Okay, moving on. This one says perform the indicated operation. So we're multiplying a binomial times a trinomial. Whenever I have a binomial times a trinomial, I like to create a 2x3 box. That's not a box. Let's do another rectangle that's better looking. So here's my 2x3 box. So the binomial is x plus 6. The trinomial is x squared plus 4x plus 7. And now I just multiply the row times the column to get the entry. So this first entry will be x to the third. This will be 6x squared, 4x squared, 24x, 7x, 42. Then I look for like terms, and I see some like terms here. This diagonal and this diagonal are like terms. So when you put it all together, you have x to the third. And then if you combine these two together, that is 10x squared. And then if you put the x's together, that's 31x. And you have the constant 42. That's how I like to multiply a binomial times a trinomial. You could do that for binomial times a binomial as well if you'd like that method. Or you can do the FOIL method, whatever you prefer. I'm going to just continue with my box. This time it's a 2x2 because it's a binomial times a binomial again. Or as in the previous example, as in this example. So you could do the FOIL if you'd like, or you can do the box. I'm just going to do the box. So this is 1 plus x to the 6/5. This would be 1 minus x to the 6/5. So this would be 1. This would be x to the 6/5. This would be negative x to the 6/5. And over here, we add the exponents because you're multiplying two powers that have the same base. A negative times a positive is a negative. X to the, if you add 6/5 plus 6/5, you're going to get 12/5. All right, so as you can see, we have some like terms to combine, but those are opposites, so they're going to cancel each other out. So your final answer is 1 minus x to the 12 fifths. And that does it for this section.